Hello, today we will guide you through how to export my customers from QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll export your customer list from QuickBooks Online into an Excel file you can use for backups, analysis, or to migrate into another system. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions to access settings and export tools. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing in. Once you're on your dashboard, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Settings gear icon there. This is the hub for many administrative actions, including exporting data. Click the Settings gear to open the menu. In the menu options, look for Export Data. Depending on your layout, it typically appears under the Tools section. Select Export Data to open the Export dashboard. On the Export Data page, you'll notice two main areas: Reports and Lists. Because we're exporting customers, switch to the Lists tab. Lists lets you export key records like customers, vendors, and products separate from transactional reports. Inside lists, you'll see toggles for different list types. To avoid pulling unnecessary data, turn off every toggle except customers. If anything else is enabled, such as vendors or chart of accounts, click to disable them so only customers remains turned on. This ensures your export is focused, clean, and easier to work with later. Take a moment to review your selection. Confirm that only customers is active and that you're on the correct tab. This quick check helps prevent downloading a large file with unrelated sheets you don't need. When you're ready, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will prepare your file and start the download automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it will either save to your default Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. The file typically arrives as an Excel workbook containing your customer details, names, contact information, and other key fields currently stored in QuickBooks. After the download completes, open the file to verify it looks right. Scan the headers and a few rows to confirm your customers are present and that there aren't extra lists included. If you plan to share this file, remember it may contain sensitive contact details, so store it securely and limit access to trusted users. That's all it takes. You've successfully exported your customers from QuickBooks Online and now have a portable copy ready for backup, review, or import elsewhere. If you need to refresh the list in the future, repeat these same steps to get the latest version.